Say hi, guys! Where are you going, Icy? To the beach! Where? In? Dig the sand. And then what are you going to do there? Are you going to swim? I think we forgot your life jacket. Nakalimutan natin? Nandun sa likod ng CR. Ay, hindi. Nasa storage. Aw, sad naman. But it's okay. Mommy is there, so we can check on you. So, let's go! Woohoo! Galing nga.
Your call will be forwarded to a voicemail.
Let's go! Dada, natatakpan naman yung mata niya. Okay, let's go to the lake. Before going to the beach. And playground. We are in the store area. May restaurant din pala sila. Doon muna tayo sa lake. What's that I see? Oh, those are... Tara, punta natin din sa area na yan. Look. Sayang na hindi mo dala yung tatalong ka na naman eh. Fishing sila. Let's go. Let's go to the beach na, Kong. Wait for mommy. This way, not that way. Oh my gosh. Dito tayo pupunta sa Beach P9 at ang daan ay puro gubat. You sing, Icy. What do you want to sing? Bahay. Bahay. Can you sing? Sige na. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
No.
Sige na! Bahay, kubo. Go, Icy!
No.
Icy, bakit ganon yung Icy, are you ready for the adventure?
Yes.
Yes! Good job! Let's go! Andyan o. Bakit dyan? Doon ba? Ang daan? It's coming! Woohoo! It's coming! Ganda ng sand. Not in the water yet. Here, on this side. This side, I see. I see. Taga-check naman kasi ang haba-haba nito. Oh, it's so big. I see. Wala lang pakialam siya. Sige, go. Sige. Doon sa may parkingan mismo, pwede kumain doon. Pwede na dyan, Dada siguro. Meron doon, ano yun, may kahoy. Kaya mo yan. Go, Dada. Can you help Dada? I see. Huh? Parking area yan, side na yan. And this is the picnic area. Tsaka dun, tsaka dun, tsaka dun. Cheese muna, bigla. Happy face! Happy face! Happy face na! Sorry. Go with Dada. You're there. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yes,
Better be careful. Akong natatakot sa'yo. Oopsie. Mani popcorn. I can smell the nice food of Icy. You say thank you, Dada, for the food.
You're welcome. Tapos ikirog ko na lang dito yung kanin na.
What do we have? Barbecue.
This is hot na to.
Rice.
Ito yung phone mo, mami.
We have noodles. We have
Salted egg.
salted egg. Oops. And grapes and mango juice of Icy and Coke for Dada.
And the
Okay.
watermelon.
And the watermelon over there. Okay. You pray na nga, Rod.
In the name of
And the
Father,
rice.
Son, and Spirit. Amen. For the rice.
For our barbecue.
Tomato and egg.
Tomato and egg.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Noodles. Watermelon. Mommy. Icy. Dada. Amen. And the Father, the Son, the Spirit. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, baby.
Amen. Saya na to.
And then... What happened?
Need help? You okay?
Hurry up! Katatapos lang mag-lunch. Ngayon, babalik na naman sa beach. Iniwan na namin yung wagon kasi super laki. Pero may wagon din hawak ng icy tot namin. Tayo. Wala, sige. Anong oras na kaya kami makakapunta? Napakalapit lang eh. Abutin pa to ng 30 minutes. Sige. Ayun na yung beach. They're over there. Pero yung dalawa, masarap na kain. Doon ang beach sa likod ko. You're here na? Yeah, you're walking. Are you sure you can do it? I can do that. Say hi, guys. Look at me. I have my wagon. Oops!
I get you.
Nahala siya. Oo. I'm going now there. I think ask Dada to hold it. Come on.
Because it's going down.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, sige. Tambay-tambay muna. sige! Bahala ka, sige! Almost there! Sige, konti na lang! Ang ganda ng panahon. The sun is so bright. Ang ganda ng weather. Hindi masyadong malamig. Windy pero hindi masyadong malamig. Tapos mainit-init. Ang ganda ng sand. Mas maganda yung sand dito kaysa sa Port Stanley. No, Dada? Mas white siya, oh. Ayan na. Pumesto na si Sir. Oopsie.
Wait lang, anak. Wait lang. Parang baliktad, no?
Ganyan. Lugat dadanak. Oh, wow. Go! Run! Okay, go! 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 Run, Icy! Come on! Yee! Sige! Go! Yee! Sige lang. Oops! 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 Wow! Pupunta siya sa beach. Lamig ng tubig. Para kaming may-ari ng isang island. Kami lang nandito. Yung iba nandun sa may lake park, nagkakayak. Tapos yung iba nagka-camping. Meron naman yung iba nagba-biking lang. Tsaka hiking. Lang, oh, just stay there. Oh. Like that. You don't need to run. See? You just gonna face the wind. Ay, no more.
I see.
Hala. Akin na. Hawakan ko. Gusto na mating.
Go change your clothes.
Change muna, change. Ay, naku, nak. Lumiit na yung betlog ni Dada.
Get the bucket. Get the bucket. Easy, get the bucket.
Okay, sige.
Only here?
This one only, here only. Yeah. You know that you can dig over there.
I'll just dig there.
Meanwhile, yung tatay namin naglalaro. Wow. Look at that, Icy.
Ilan yan?
Oh, smile, Dada.
I see it. Dada made a tower.
Wow.
Shaking tower.
Artistic na yung anak mo, oh.
How many squares did you make? I see. How many squares?
Wow. What shape is that? Square. Huwag masyadong malaki. Sa baba na kayo, Kaisi. Five minutes na lang. Let's go na. Sunog na tayo. You think you can pull it up on your own? Are you sure? Okay. It's tough. It's hard. But what? What? I believe in you. You can put your sleeper first in the wagon and then you can walk without the sleeper and then you can pull your wagon up. And that's Dada. Okay. You see? It's so easy. You see? What you think? It's a good idea? Okay, on that side, not there. Straight, yes. Yes. Now you can do hard things. Ups. Ups. Okay, and then pull from there. Okay, go. Good job. Now, you can put your sleeper. Yes.